super excited about this electric spin scrubber that was actually sent to me. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and then actually clean my bathroom. So I've made sure that to get my bathroom super dirty, just for the purpose of seeing how good this scrubber really is. Boxing it, it comes with a nice bag so that you can actually store your scrubber. And of course it comes with all the parts. So let's unpack this. All the parts, and it does come with a nice helpful manual so that you could understand how to put it all together and which ones to use. So once you press that button, as you can see, this does angle, so you can have it straight, press, and it angles down, and it can go all the way to a 90-degree angle. So no more tough spots when you get to those corners in the tub or in your shower, bathroom, or anywhere that you're scrubbing, because you have this angled. Let's say that you need more length than this, you can just push this button up, and this extends a bit more to handle. This is your on button. This on the back here is actually where you're going to find the charging port so that you can go ahead and charge it, and just come with its cord and the adapter. So this is the dome brush. It's hard bristles. So this is perfect to go ahead and clean your shower, tub, sink, toilet, anywhere like that. This brush is actually flat, as you can see here. So you can use like large flat surfaces. So let's say tile, walls, hard flooring, even windows, patio furniture, anything, because this is so flat. Then you have a smaller flat brush instead of this big one. So as you could see, it's two different sizes. So this is also good for like soap scum inside of your shower, maybe kitchen, grease, your stove, a grill, anything like that. Then you have another corner brush, which is super small. These two are around the same size. And then this is obviously good for those like edges, grouts, corners, or any of those tight spaces because of this angled edge right here. Okay, so this is a nice scouring pad. As you can see, it is sort of rough right here. So this is great for like kitchen ovens, stoves, a grill, or anything like that. Then you have a sponge. This is like if it was a kitchen sponge. So it's good for like really smooth surfaces, even glass, or a countertop, because this is, as you can see, it does resemble a kitchen sponge. Nice wool. This is, as you can tell, it's super soft. So this nice wool, it's good for like sofas, leather, the interior of your car, is that type of material that's going to help clean. And then last but not least, you do have this absorbent cloth. So it's good for like water stains on glass, floors, or tiles. As you can see, that material right there, it's nice and really absorbent. Okay, so we have our dirty bathroom. As you can see, all there is pink, all over there is pink. Button right here is the on. You hold it down, and this is the first speed. You press it again, and as you can see, that's how fast it is. Huge difference, super easy. I love this fact that it can bend at different angles, so you can get the corners. I also love the fact that you have different sizes. And of course, because it's tile, I'm actually going to use this one. This has just made cleaning my tub so much easier. This is the final result of it. I absolutely love this scrubber. It makes life so much easier. You could use cleaning supplies if you wanted to, but you don't have to, because it definitely scrubs and get everything out. This makes life 10 times easier.